Hey YouTube, what is up? My name is Steven, and in this video I'll be unboxing my WE EU18c. So I just got this in the mail and it will be my first airsoft unboxing on this channel. This will be my first pistol and I wanted to bring an unboxing video on it. It will be two-tone blue because I don't have the UCAR license, and in the UK you need that to get it in black. So I'm taking a look around the box. Actually, this is the WE. It's also known as the G18c, but in Europe I think the WE brand goes under Neopol, so it's the EU series right here, EU18c. But I think it's the same gun, aftermarket compatible. I originally got a army armament and I think double barrel Glock, but I want it to be aftermarket compatible because I want to upgrade internals and stuff. So I returned those and I'm getting the WE, which is a TM clone. So front sticker, just here like this, nothing on the back, numbers on the side, and that's about it. Let's take out the knife and open it. I'm very excited for this. My rifle is coming also. I got a Spectre Arms Edge rifle. So opening up the box, obviously you have the manual. Yep, quite basic. And here you are, you have a magazine. If my camera will focus on that, there you go. You have the magazine here, green gas, the markings on the back. Ooh, spring is so strong. I'm not used to this. You press down here, yep, and then you fill the green gas from the bottom. Some extra grips. So get some extra grips here. Fit your palm and your hand size. It's very nice. This is a Gen 4, not a Gen 3, so comes with that. And some pin thingies, I guess, for this. And you have the gun itself. Oh wow, that's very nice. 18c tactical. I think the G18c has a big G here, but this one doesn't because it's an EU variant. So it just says 18c tactical and no big G. I got the 18 over the Glock 17 because obviously it has a full auto. And I won't be using it all the time, but it's just fun to have, you know. It's nice to have that feature. You have the Gen 4 mag release here. That actually sticks out a lot more. And then slide stay, okay. The cutouts at the top barrel here. Factory lubed, you can see the marks here. The markings on the side. Just says Gen 4 two-stage trigger. I think that's very blurry, but green nozzle inside. It does sound a bit rough, a bit scratchy. But I think obviously when you wear it out, wear it in a little bit more, it won't scratch as much. And then, oh, I forgot to mention the safety at the bottom. I think you... Ooh, very stiff, very stiff. Let's put the box off to the side so we can talk about the gun a little bit more. I love Glocks. I like 1911 as well, but Glocks is easier for me to hold as well. So I love this. Polymer bottom and a metal top rail at the bottom as well. See the factory lube and the grease there. And the hop-up, obviously, the hop-up's there. I'm very excited to use this. I've been looking forward to use this gun for a long time. I got a G18c from from Army Armament. Well, it wasn't a G18c, it was called the R18 from Army Armament, but that had issues. The blowback and the slide would just keep catching. The gun feels really well built as well, and with the mag in and stuff, it feels really nice to hold. It's quite heavy, has some weight to it, but it's a good thing. It feels quality. And I think WE is a great brand to start off with because obviously it's cheap, as well as being able to fit all these aftermarket parts on it. I think it's a great thing to have. So if something breaks, you can always find something. It's not like compared to double barrel, which I'll put a picture up here. This is the one I had before. The parts in there are proprietary, so you won't be able to upgrade anything, or if you break it, you have to fix under the warranty. There's no parts that will fit that gun. As far as I'm aware, there probably is, but I haven't really tried it. I didn't want to risk it. That's why I returned it. But even though it had a custom slide on the top and a stippled bottom, I still returned that for a WE instead, because I know for a fact, and I have a peace of mind that this is aftermarket compatible. So if I do want to change the slide or change the lower in the future, I have that option too. But it is a G18c, and the 18 has less aftermarket parts for it because of this here, obviously the full auto. But there's still quite a large number of things I can get for this gun, which I'm really happy about. So this has been the unboxing for my WE EU18c. I'm very excited to use this gun and test it out. The next stage of this video will be the shooting test. After that, it's the end of the video. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or this unboxing, please do smash the like button and subscribe if you want. Maybe I'll do more airsoft videos in the future. I want to get more into the sport, so I want to do more of these in the future. If you guys like the content that I put out, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Go on.